That gonna lick you right there. I love to hear shit like that, man. I love to hear it.
Stop it, gang.
I got fucking sniped. Oh my god, bro. Like, I think I got sniped fucking
We just got out.
Yo, 20 people. Oh. Fuck. I ain't winning there. Fuck that.
Y'all niggas that tent, shut up around that bitch, boy. I'll come do something with your ass. You like gas? You like gas, Soul Crusher? You like gas? I'm a gas man, little nigga. Who told you could land back at 10? Or Darius? Who told you could land here? Nobody. So depart, bitch. Gotta keep landing around me like a bitch said this shit alright. Nobody tell you to pick that nigga up.
Oh my god, he's behind me, bro. I don't hear him. Oh my god. You're this fucking idiot. Why you got a guy dipped up?
Oh shit.
Yeah, what the hell you landing back here for, boy? You don't know about me? You don't know I'm here? You don't know this shit ain't safe? You don't know this shit ain't safe, lil' bro?
Worry about your bitch ass. That was you better realize.
Who? Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, sound good. Y'all don't know this shit ain't safe? Playtime over with. I'm mad. So you better shut up, cause if I find you in my boy, I really do your ass so bad.
Fuck this shit. Playtime over with. Bitch, who are you?
I'm him, bitch. What you talking about, bitch? I like you know.
These niggas letting you talk to them like that.
Yeah, bitch, I'll talk to you like that, bitch.
Playtime over. My ass.
He talking about my ass.
What?
Yeah, what? What? Tell Nemo stop crying. Tell him to get his dead ass up. Talking about what? Tell dead ass up, nigga. Who teammate Nemo? Whoever Nemo teammate, tell nigga stop crying and get his dead ass up. Look at this nigga with a riot shield. That nigga the nerdiest of them all. And then you hiding. You got a riot shit on your back and you hiding. Get your bitch ass out the corner, bro. Your ass weird. You on the team with that nigga with the riot shield? Your ass gonna die too, bitch. Oh, bro.
Hey, bitch. Your ass up.
You on the riot shield nigga team too? Your ass gonna die too.
Yeah, you
Bro.
about to die.
Your riot shield using ass up.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Your lame ass up.
Where you at?
All your teammates dead. Where you at?
Where you at?
Aha. Aha. Riot shield her down. Aha.
Yeah, cause I killed him.
Oh, you killed him. Oh, that mean you don't got the riot shield. That mean your ass finna die. Dumbass. That mean you finna die then. And your mans. Good night. Good night, boys. Have a good night. Yep, and I got a 20 piece on me. Sure do. Good night. Cause nigga, I ain't fucking off. I done seen a 100 ball. Flip phone. Drew phone doing somersaults. Goofy. Stop playing on me. Playing on me.
Yeah, I'm here, nigga. I'm here, nigga. I'm here, nigga. I know it's no bitch ass I just killed. But this better not be you. That better not be you. Oh my god. Boy, I just shit on him so bad. I just pissed on him so bad. Hey, what? I better not find your bitch ass. Boy, I'm telling you now. Y'all see me? Y'all see me? Your ass gonna run away from a bitch on scary ass nigga. Man, push up, nigga. Tired of talking to your bitch ass from the bar, nigga. Push up. Nigga, push up, bitch. She right there behind you. She right there behind you. You ain't gotta talk. Your ass up. Fuck, nigga, push up there. You ain't gotta talk. Right here behind somebody. Who this is? Dead as fuck. Ass up, man.
Trying to play ring around the rosy, nigga. Thought I wasn't gonna come get out with you.
Oh my god. And I'm running through shit. Bro, I'm running through shit in this bitch, bro. I'm running through shit. When you see the Nicki Minaj, nigga, I got on Nicki Minaj again, bitch. You see Nicki Minaj, just step by that, nigga. Step by that, nigga.
Ooh, say on that chat. Ooh.
Nicki step on that shit, nigga. What you talking about, nigga? Push ass, help ass, nigga. Come on.
Say on that.
Push up, nigga. Push up, nigga. This you? Push up. Push up. You got your ass fucking bitch. Man, you got your ass stepped on. What? Your ass trash as fuck. Your ass trash as fuck. You got your ass stepped on, nigga. You on this bitch. I ain't just talking on this bitch. What? Nigga, stupid dumb. Yeah, that Nicki right here. Nicki, bitch, you dead. Yeah, killed your bitch ass. I ain't just talking on this bitch. What? What? I ain't just talking on this bitch. What? You ain't gonna learn, nigga. Shut up, nigga. I'm gonna get all them niggas. Well, I'm gonna get all them bitches, nigga. But I'm on this bitch, stepping on shit, man. Well, that go Nicki right there. I love to hear shit like that, man. I love to hear it. You don't know how that shit feels, brother. I think you know how that shit feels. You got Nicki. This should be scared of
I ain't got Nicki on here right now. I got little 21. I got little 21. Can you do something for me?
Hey, Nicki back, bitch. Just like Gucci say, ass he back, bitch. Nicki back. Nicki back, bitch. Yeah, I'm back, bitch. Hey, Nicki back. I'm back. I'm back, man. Y'all left. Get the fun going.
And you?
Let's talk a little business, bro. Oh, why y'all so deep? Damn!
So yeah, let's talk a little business.
Hey, OG. But let's talk a little business, man. I gotta get a few things off my chest.
Oh, bro.
Get a few things off my chest. You know how shit be. Alright, go back to the back. Your ass ain't on the hill. The grandpa's bitch died. This is sweet on this bitch. This shit ain't sweet.
Good time to get back here. Oh shit.
I ain't gonna lie.
Damn, mother.
What nigga right now? Cause I'm making plays with these fuck niggas, boy.
Phil Jackson.
Cause I'm making plays with these niggas, boy. These niggas don't know what the fuck they're doing this bitch, boy. Some real shit.
That's low, ground flow.
I hear my niggas.
Come on, Richie. Come on. Yeah, come on. Slug ace.
This shit is shit right now. I ain't gonna fucking lie.
Pick your mans up, gang, gang. Pick him up, gang. Pick him up.
This shit super so hard. I never lie. I never tell a lie.
Where your man just died at. I just faced his ass.
I would never tell a lie right now. Cause that's I ain't niggas trying to get me.
These niggas down this bitch holding dicks, gang. Holy. Get that nigga dick.
Go with it.
I'm here to stay. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Don't run. Bro, $80 fucking again. Hey, that nigga back out this bitch, brother. Fuck ass up out of here.
Oh my god, I fucking died, bro.
Who you running up on, little nigga? Don't run up on me, boy. Nah, put your ass to rest, boy. Come here, boy. Stop running, boy. Buddy on his gun. Who you challenging like that, little bro? Yeah, I'm dead. Dumbass. Come pick your dead ass mans up, nigga. What up, fuck me? Get your bitch ass up too, pussy.
la puedo quitar porque viene pegada, pero si la quiere. Ahí munición.
Otro está relleno, otro está relleno.
Voy a estar reviendo, vamos. Dale culo. Estas faltas se llevaron mis pollos, güey.
Aquí está uno.
Dale, el de...
Está uno aquí.
Hijo de... Te mato.
Gato, no vayas, vente, revive mejor. Gato, revive. Gato, ¿qué estoy? ¿Quién te pidió que te remataras, Mi gato no se queda atrás. Gatito,
Ay, aquí están los hijos de perra, güey.
Se va a caer,
Lleguen. Están aquí, ¿dónde?
El túnel está vacío. Pisa la verga.
Ahí tiré ya, Padre Santo. Espérame, a ver, te tiro ya. Le todo, ven, bebé. Tengan. Placas, a ver, placas, gracias.
Nomás me dieron 3 placas, perro.
Gracias.
Entonces quieres más.
Gracias, banda. No, ¿para qué? No necesitas tantas, si deja.
A ver, hijos de la... Tíralo.
Tengo gente.
Traigo un especialista,
Tengo gente, no salgan.
Quiero que te maten, Vegeta, para que me lo dejes.
Te traigo la mina. Ahí está de frente, güey.
¡Ay, tengo atrás!
Hay uno de la quita. Párale y cúrenme. Ya viene bajando por la escalera.
Espérame, bebé, no hable. Cúrate.
Ey, Vegeta, ey.
Espérame. No puedo hacer todo, güey.
No, la acabo de matar bien, perro. A la pura puta cachada que no lo siento, güey. Ahí hay una especialista. Sí, uno dirá. Ahí está el especialista. Especialista, papi.
Me agarran la puta rieta.
¿Dónde?
No, pues ya se lo llevó el puta gato.
Acá hay gente que...
No, disparen a los pendejos. Ya, vale, figura.
No, Jarco. Te estoy entregando, padre.
Entregando aquí, papá. Ya son expertos.